Every e-commerce business, wherever the e-commerce business is, whether it's in Nigeria, whether it's in Egypt, whether it's in the UK, whether it's in America, has 6 common problems. I'm going to talk about how to fix these problems. All right, so let's get started. Now, number 1 is products. Where do I find products? How much products should I stock? Should I continue selling these products? How do I focus on returns and deliveries? How do I price my products? Products. So many questions around products. The truth of the matter is, when you're starting your e-commerce business, no matter what kind of business it is, whether it's drop shipping, well, no. The only time that this doesn't work is if it's drop shipping. But any other business besides drop shipping, you should focus on only 3 to 5 focus products. The reason why I say 3 to 5 focus products is because you're going to need a lot of money to promote those 3 to 5 focus products. If you're in a dropshipping business, what people normally do is they have maybe 4 hero products and a lot of other products around those 4 hero products that they typically upsell or cross-sell, right? That's why I said earlier that this is probably the only time where it doesn't work. But every other e-commerce business, whether it's white labeling, whether it's product arbitrage, whether it's mini importation, whatever e-commerce business you are doing, you need to focus on 3 to 5 products. Now, those 3 to 5 products, they all need to be within the same niche. Either they are within the same niche or they target the same customer. And I'll explain. A e-commerce business that sells human hair can sell eyelashes, can sell mascara, can sell makeup, can sell lip gloss, can sell bags. If you sell human hair, you sell wigs, you sell mascara, you sell bags, you sell dresses, that e-commerce business is focused on the same target customer. Do you see what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, remember, it needs to revolve around 3 to 5 products when you're starting. The second one is creatives. For video, you want to make sure you're putting the product in focus. So if you're talking about hair, again, I'm going to use hair for this particular video, just stay consistent. But if you're talking about hair, you need to show the hair inside the video. If you offer free shipping, if you offer maybe free wigging, if you offer maybe a buy one get one free, or buy two get one free, or buy two get a discount, whatever it might be, you still put your hair in focus and have a voiceover on top of it. I actually do videos from 8 to about 20 seconds. The reason why is people's attention span nowadays is ridiculously low. So 8 to 20 seconds, and you want to make sure that you literally pack your first 3 to 5 seconds with as much activity and effects. You might tell people, oh, stop watching and see this amazing deal we have on our human hair. Something like that, okay? You can do carousels. So carousels can talk about the different types of human hair you have available. Carousels can talk about the offers that you have available. The choice is yours. If you want me to show an example of this in reality, just let me know in the comments, and I'll put a separate video that would show how I go about creating my ad creatives and my ads, stories and scripts for success. Because again, I've shown you guys in some of my videos, I don't spend so much on ads to get winning results, and there's a reason why. If you want to see the why, let me know in the comments, right? The next one you want to look at here is traffic. So with traffic, you have organic and paid. With Instagram ads, I have a video that talks about how I set up my Instagram ads, and the same way I set up my Facebook ads. It just depends on the product I'm selling. If I'm selling a product for an older target group or target audience, there's a way I set it up differently. So you can find that out, right? Now that's for paid. With organic, you have trusted with WhatsApp. I've told you guys on this channel before that we as Nigerians, 95 to 96% of us all use WhatsApp. So it's just common sense that you also use WhatsApp. So you get your customers to save their numbers on your phone, and you also ask them to save your number as well on theirs, so that when you post things on your status and you post information and promos and deals, you let them know. Another one that works is email marketing. I have made a lot of money from email marketing. Almost the same way with getting WhatsApp numbers. Get your subscribers, get your customers to give their emails, and you can remarket to them. When you have a new offer, You can send it to them via email. This is how you increase your customer lifetime value, LTV, things like that. The other ways you can do organic marketing, you have your social media. But the thing is, your social media conversion rates are not really, they're not as high as people say, and they're not as high as you would want them to be. I can tell you that for free. If you calculate it, you'll be shocked how low it is. But the good thing with social media is, so far you're coming every day, once somebody needs something that you sell, you are always top of mind when you are always present on social media. So please don't use it as an excuse that, oh, I'm not making money from social media. Post, keep posting every single day, and one day it will pay off. Now let's get a bit technical. The next one is your average order value and conversion rate. Everybody wants a higher average order value. I want a higher AOV. I'm guessing you want a higher AOV, because a higher AOV equals to more money in the bank. More money in the bank should equals to margins, increased profit margins. Should. I don't know how you set up your business. So people have very interesting ways of calculating their production cost and cost of goods. But I hope you set it up well. But yeah, now you want to increase your AOV, doing things like bundling, multi-packs, using some of those organic methods that I mentioned in the previous section, where you're looking at email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, all of that. Whereas customers come back, as you have returning customers, as they purchase from you, they begin to build trust with you and they begin to make bigger orders. Now when it comes to conversion rate is very, very simple. It's complicated, but it's one of those things that is easy to say and it sounds simple to do. But when you begin to do it, and their problem they start. Number one is social proof. So social proof is basically testimonials, customer POVs, user-generated content, all those amazing things. The more you get those kind of things onto your platform, onto your website, onto your sales page, onto your sales funnel, onto your social media, people begin to trust your business more and more. Another one here is operations, right? When it comes to operations, basically how you set up your business, what kind of systems do you put in place, what kind of things do you allow AI to sort out for you, what kind of things do you make sure is the human behind that system that is monitoring it. All those things, right? And to be fair, it's dependent on what you sell, okay? But what I would suggest is every business needs to have operations and finance as soon as possible separated. And the reason why I say this is there are certain costs that you don't see in operations that you will only see when you do your P&L analysis. It's very easy for you to say, oh, go ahead, sure, let's do that. And then you see your P&L analysis and you're like, right? So as soon as possible, I always advise people, separate the finances from the operations, so that the person doing finances can only focus on finances, and the person doing operations can only focus on operations. Now, once you have those two people split separate, guess what's left? Marketing. Marketing is so important when it comes to online businesses. And the reason why I say this is because in a retail store, there's a fixed environment, there's a fixed space. So your products can only take that fixed space. In the online world, there is no fixed space. You are basically on the internet, you're on social media, you're in this vast world, and everybody is advertising for a piece of that world. So you need to make sure that your marketing or advertising, social advertising, is always on point. So once you have your operations and your finances separate, somebody, I'm guessing, has to now take the marketing to the next level. So whatever it is you think you are doing now is child's play. Now that you are beginning to put systems in place in your business, you are now in charge of the marketing and you take it to the next level. Because when it comes to online businesses, what attracts customers is always marketing. Speaking of operations and systems, there's a particular tool I use that has helped me scale my business from 1 million to 10 million to 50 million to 100 million, and maybe one day I will cross that 1 billion mark. This video shows you that particular tool.